Oh my gosh, defeating everyone was really hard. I can't feel my legs. Oh yeah, they're robotic. I like muffins. It's coffee break.
Is anybody listening to me?
Thank you. As you all know, the Death Star has been built. It's very dangerous, so don't touch any of the buttons, and that's all. So now you can just drink your coffee and stuff.
Stormtrooper? Yes, sir.
Sure.
Thank you.